Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a tutorial inspired by none other than hot chocolate. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys may have seen that I've done a few fall inspired looks by drinks. I did a caramel, what did I do? Pumpkin spice latte inspired look. Oh my gosh, my brain is still not working and I'm not pregnant anymore. I did a pumpkin spice latte inspired makeup tutorial, and then I did a fireside marshmallow inspired makeup look. So this one is just a hot chocolate makeup look. I've been drinking tons of hot chocolate at home, especially chocolate abuelita. It is the best. It is my comfort food. I am Mexicana, and so I grew up drinking chocolate abuelita. It literally reminds me of like going to Mexico and being out there for Christmas with my grandma, my tias, my tios, all my primos and primas, and just having such a blast. So yesterday when I was drinking some hot chocolate, I was like, you know what? I need to do a hot chocolate inspired makeup look. So that's what inspired today's look. The lip is absolutely the bow tie to this entire look. I recently picked up this liquid lipstick by the brand Hank & Henry. I've never owned any of their products, but their liquid lipstick formula is super bomb. This is in the shade Gang Gang. And then I also used the Warrior 2 by Juvia's. This palette was actually voted by you guys. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me so you can like vote and to tell me what palette you guys want to see for Monday. That is that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this hot chocolate inspired makeup tutorial fall edition. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any Makeup Monday videos. They're a little bit more educational, but I still make them a little bit of fun. At least I like to think so. So grab your hot chocolate. I have my little cafecito. Cheers to you guys, and let's get started with today's Makeup Monday look. It's currently 5:18 p.m. I kid you not, I have been trying to film pretty much all day since like 2 o'clock, but oh my gosh, like having a newborn, you guys, is no joke, especially because he just, you know, he's a baby and he just wants to be with mom and he wants me to hold him, and I obviously feel horrible just like being like, nope, you gotta lay down. So I cave in and I just hold him, and then he ends up falling asleep. I end up putting him to sleep, and then he wakes up as soon as he doesn't feel me. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I will have my Instagram handles right here, but I ask you guys sometimes to vote and let me know what palettes I should use for Makeup Mondays, especially because I don't want to bore you guys. So I asked you guys if you wanted to see a video with this palette, the let me see, the Sapphires by Profusion, which I haven't used this one, but Hello Blue, it's so pretty, or the Love Struck palette, and it was like a close tie between these, but this one won. So keep an eye out for either Wednesday or Friday, because I will do a full face using affordable like drugstore makeup. So today we are going to use the Warrior by Juvia's. So this one I got it on sale on their website for $8. I always keep an eye on their website because they constantly have sales and their palettes are so bomb. So let's go ahead and get started. I already have my brushes ready. I haven't cleaned my brushes in so long, you guys. It's pretty embarrassing, but we're not going to talk about that today, okay? Let's go ahead and start with Kufuru, which is this very beautiful, it's a brown, but it definitely has a little bit of like red undertones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start placing that right here. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. In the outer corner. Wow, I'm telling you guys, Juvia's Place has some of the best eyeshadows. I'm thinking of doing a full face of Juvia's Place makeup. So if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. I'll just need to order a few other things, but I've been debating about filming that or not. So if you guys want to see that, yeah, let me know. Not worried about blending. All I'm going to do is pack on the color. As you can see, I'm just tapping my brush into my eyelid. And I'm actually going to create almost like a moon, like a half moon shape, bringing it up like this. I'm quickly going to switch brushes. I am going to take this one by Morphe, the M507. And I'm just going to lightly blend the edges of the shade that we just laid down, just before we go in with our second shade. This is going to just be a little bit easier once we do add that second layer, so we don't have to worry too much about blending and all that stuff. So just very gently blending the edges. As you can see, I am holding my brush at the very end of the brush. That gives you less control and it gives you a softer application of eyeshadow overall. That is diffused nicely and soft, and then you can always go back and reapply the brown, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. We're going to move on to our second shade. I'm going to go into Yodit, which is a beautiful caramel shade, and I'm going to take that on this Morphe M514 PS. Mainly all the brushes that I always use, you guys, are by Morphe because I just genuinely really like them and I know how to work with them already. But if you guys know of any other brands that have really good eye brushes, definitely let me know because I'm willing to like expand my horizons, if you will. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to lightly apply that right where that brown ended, overlapping it but not taking over the brown, if that makes sense. So I'm just placing that right here. I do go back and forth a few times and dip back into the palette. That way this has as much pigmentation as possible, but you can always just apply a little bit at a time, go back and diffuse, reapply, diffuse, reapply. It just depends how comfortable you feel with like eyeshadow and stuff. But I'm just going back a few times, nothing crazy, and making sure that that caramel shade peeks through. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to take the shade Zazz, which is, it's not really a white. On camera it looks white, but in person it's, I don't know, like a paper white, like a, it almost has like a cream undertone. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really pretty. And of course we're going to place that underneath the brow bone just to clean up the work a little bit, clean up the brows a little bit. I also want to dip my brush into Jamada, which is a gorgeous burgundy red. And I'm just going to use the same Morphe M433, which is the one that we used for that first shade. And, ooh, that is so pretty. And I'm going to bring that, oh my gosh, that is stunning. I'm going to keep that pretty much close to where the brown was, but it's going to be a little bit closer to the lid. I forgot for a second what I was going to say. And I'm just like sweeping this in. I'm just going to stick with the white shade. And I'm going to apply that all over the lid. And then I think what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to go in with some glitter and add a little bit of glitter into like this line right here.
This one is my journal. I'm gonna go to this.
And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease on this eye.
I tried to write 1 year ago. My elf on the shelf hung on the rooftop. That and I miss her. And then I wrote a broken heart, sad face. And then I wrote my little, my elf. And then that right there is my dog's collar because she used it to climb up, I guess. And these are the couches. So it says 22 days ago, I got a baby brother, and then I drew like a little butterfly heart. And then I drew one more. That one, it says, I love my baby brother. With the yellow one, you might not really be able to see.
They're beautiful. I love them all. I can't choose my favorite one. They're all my favorite. So now we're going to add a little bit of glitter right here just to add a little pop of something so it's not so like matte in the eyes. So I'm going to take this heavy metal glitter by Urban Decay. Okay, so for the lashes I actually ended up switching them. So I went in with the Ardel 3D Faux Mink lashes, and I don't know what style these are. They don't have a name. They're just the 858s, these, and they're super pretty. So for the lips, I want to try out this lipstick. I've had it for a while. I recently bought it off of the Hank and Henry website. I'm going to line my lips first, and then my daughter's going to help me fill in the lip line, or the actual lips. And this is what it looks like. This is in the shade Gang Gang. Thank you, ma'am. All right, you guys, and this is the completed look. What do you guys think of this like hot chocolate inspired makeup look? I love it. I think the lips totally tied this look together. I really was like a little bit unsure. I wasn't really feeling the look, and then I popped on the lips and I was like, okay, this look is coming in together. It looks really pretty. Love the white that obviously represents the marshmallows, and then the glitter just for a little bit of fun, and then the brown and the brown lips. So you look like such a dilf.
I'm a dead.
Yeah, you are. After a family interruption, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this look. It's so pretty. So again, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for being here. If you do recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so I can post you on my stories. I know I've been slacking with that, but you know, I'm still trying to adjust to my new schedule, being a mom and all these things, you guys, but I promise that things will go back to normal hopefully pretty soon. So until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.